Hi everybody, oatmeal is one of the healthiest grains on the planet, but there may be a few drawbacks. So we're going to go over all of its benefits and the few things that you should watch out for. Before we get into the oatmeal's benefits, I wanted to go over a few things you should know. Oatmeal comes in many different forms, and the best one to get is steel cut oats. Any of the other kind of processed oatmeal has had its nutrients depleted and is usually loaded with extra sugars and things added to it. Before you eat oatmeal, you should soak it overnight because oatmeal has phytic acids in it, and soaking it overnight will reduce the phytic acids. What do? They usually combine with calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, and zinc that's in your body so that you cannot absorb these minerals anymore. To reduce this from happening, you want to soak it overnight. Oatmeal may just be considered a superfood, and there's a few reasons why. Here's a quick list of some of the amazing nutrients that you would find in oatmeal. So you see it has 63% of your daily value of manganese. And another important one is it has lots of zinc, 13%, and your vitamin B1 and B5. And it also has 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber in 1 cup of oatmeal. So it's a really good source of overall nutrition. Oatmeal is also loaded with antioxidants. They have polyphenols, and these antioxidants help to lower your blood pressure. It does this mostly by increasing the protection of nitric oxide, which is a gas that helps dilate your blood vessels and leads to a better blood flow. One of the most amazing things about oatmeal is it's high in fiber, but the fiber that it's mostly known for is beta-glucan, and when you eat it, it goes into your gut and it becomes kind of sludgy and gel-like. This helps you to feel fuller longer, and it also helps to reduce your cholesterol levels, and it helps to increase the good bacteria in your digestive tract. It is good to eat oatmeal because it's good for your diabetes. What it does is it increases your insulin sensitivity. It doesn't get rid of diabetes, but it does not make it worse. It helps your insulin levels to be more responsive. And what this means is it helps to break down your insulin resistance. And there's been lots of studies shown, clinical studies showing that they have used oatmeal diet for people who have had difficulties with their diabetes, and it has helped to increase their insulin sensitivity so that they could better manage their diabetes. Oatmeal is great for your immune system. It stimulates the function of the white blood cells, which helps fight infections. It does have a lot of selenium and zinc in it, so that also helps. And again, most of these nutrients would not be absorbed unless you soak your oatmeal overnight, which will give you the best results. Oatmeal also has been known to help you sleep better, so you might not want to have it for breakfast because it has a lot of tryptophan and melatonin in it, which helps to promote sleep. So maybe you might want to have it for a night snack. But something to watch out for is that there is a lot of pesticides used with oatmeal, and almost all oatmeal has it nowadays, so you have to look really carefully. The pesticides that it usually carries is glyphosate, which is cancer-causing to us. It's very harmful. So if you really like oatmeal and you want to have it more often, you should look for this sign on your oatmeal products to make sure that the oatmeal you're buying does not have any of this glyphosate in it. Many of our grains carry it, such as oatmeal, wheat, corn, and soy. They use large amounts of glyphosate to process these, which are very dangerous for us. So make sure you're getting not just organic, but ones that have this label on them, glyphosate residue free. That's the best way to make sure that you're getting a healthy oatmeal, healthy grains for your body, and keeping yourself safe from cancer-causing agents. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And if you have experienced any other benefits with oatmeal.